Alright, so for the grammar class, what I would like to do is to first, the reference book, if you have a book, is page 25. So you may refer to page 25. Alright, if you have a book. So if you have English and Chinese, so if you need information, if you need extra information from this lesson, and we can refer to page 25. And we are, what is lesson 25? What is it about? What is the topic of lesson 25? What is the topic? Yes, you raise your page. So, can you tell me the topic of lesson 25? What is it? The topic. What is the topic of lesson 35? That's right, it is a simple task. Jendan, what you say? Alright, simple task, right? So you may refer to the simple task here. This is very basic. Huh? For example, here, I played, I did not play. Right? So I played, I did not play. It's very basic, right? So I played, I did not play. So here I have a handout. Here I have a handout for you to review, and also to review last week what we did last week. So everybody should get one handout. Is that possible? Everybody? Yes? Very good, you raise your hand, so you are going to pass this to your classmates. Thank you. Please pass this handout for you and to your classmates. So here we have one handout here. We are going to see the verbs in the simple past. Review quickly. Okay, and for review, I would like you to write the verbs as fast as you can in the simple past. Right? You have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes to also write 3 answers to earn points today. So, remember last week, 2 weeks ago, is a long time ago. A long time ago, we wrote some sentences. Do you remember? In order to refresh your memory to you, please write. You have 20 minutes. Let's say you have 20 minutes to do this first page. This page here. Write anything you can write. If you cannot, that's okay. Or you may also ask your classmates, you may stand up, you may walk around. You are allowed to walk around and ask your classmates how to write some verbs. So you may learn from your classmates. You are allowed to walk around, to see not to waste time, but you are allowed to walk around the classroom to fill in the blanks. We have 20 minutes. And also we have some questions. We have some questions. example, you may answer any question you want, but at least provide three answers. At least three to get points. Okay? So for example, here we have, what did you do last night? I slept. I did not play video games. Right? I slept. I did not play video games. Here, you may use the reference, the book for reference here. For example, what did you do last night? What did you do last night? I played. I did not play. I slept. I did not sleep. You can answer any questions you want, but at least three answers. At least three. Did you go for a bike ride last weekend? Yes or no? Did you go? No, I did not. Oh, I did not go for a bike ride. I went to Disneyland. Okay. Did you go to KTV last weekend? Who enjoys going to KTV? Alright, so did you go to KTV last weekend? Well, no, I did not. So here we have the verbs here. I did, I did not. She did, she did not. Right? Right. What did you do yesterday afternoon? What did you do yesterday afternoon? Alright. So you can answer any questions you want, but at least three answers. And you may walk around to ask your classmates. You may go and look for your favorite classmates here. Who is your favorite classmate? Friend. You have any friends around here? Oh. No. Well, how about you? Do you have any friends around here? Me? I'm your teacher first, and then maybe later. So if you have any friends, you can ask them. Make sure. So, what do you have to do now? Can you tell me? What do we have to do? Hello? Alright. So, if you want, the most important point is, if you want the points, you may write at least three answers. Or if you know that already, that's okay. Okay, I don't push you to write. If you want to learn more, you can fill in the spaces. Yeah? But if you want points, at least write three beautiful sentences. And then I will ask you for participation. For participation purposes, I will ask you to tell me one beautiful sentence if you want to add, if you want to get extra points. What? Do you have any questions? Yesterday I went to, where did you go yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday, huh? Yesterday was Sunday. Where did you go? yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Where did you go? Last 2 weeks ago, we also learned some sentences. Last month, last week, if you remember. Last night. Oh, I did not sleep last night. Last night, I did not sleep. I went to bed. Oh, yeah. Okay, 5 minutes more. Five more minutes, and I will ask you to tell me one sentence or two. Right? So I will ask you to tell me one sentence. Okay, at least one sentence. You have the handout also. Last 2 weeks ago, handout. Do you want it? I don't get it. You also have handout from 2 weeks ago. I give you your handout back. Alright. So you may check your handout as well. Today, you will have to give me this handout. Today, at the end of the class. Before you go home, you will have to give me this handout. Before you go home. Okay. So make sure you have at least 3 sentences. Make sure you have at least 3 sentences. Well, no Chinese. Okay, do you need my help? Do you need my help or not? No. If you want to walk around the classroom, that's fine. You may ask different classmates. If you want to walk around the classroom, it's fine. You may ask your classmates. No problem. All right. If you don't fancy writing all of the verbs in the box here, that's fine. What is the most important part? What is the most important? Do you know? See, the most important is write 3 answers to earn points today. The most important, but this is, if you don't know all of them, that's okay. Or you may ask your classmates and let me check. But the most important point is here. Write 3 answers to earn points today. Do you want to earn points? I'm so sad. If you write 3 sentences, you will earn points. Are you happy? Happy. Yeah. So cool, right? The good news is that if for students who cannot attend, who cannot give me the paper, you may upload it on the Moodle. for other students, you may upload the writing on the Moodle. Take a picture and upload it on Moodle to earn points. If 如果有一天你有办法来上课，你可以使用 Moodle. You can use Moodle. Take a picture, write down. Put it, upload it on Moodle. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yay! So good, huh? That's why there is the 5. Okay? So you may give me the paper format or on the Moodle. Okay, now it's time to speak English. Are you ready?
No.
Oh, come on. Come on. Who likes to earn points? Who likes to earn points around here? Hey, yeah, have you checked the Excel file? Have you checked the Excel file? Here. Each week I will upload your Excel file and you will see your points. Are you happy?
Happy.
Yeah, very good, right? So today, if you are willing to tell me one sentence, you may earn a point. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Yay! All right. So who likes to speak English here? Who wants to earn points? Okay, very good. Please tell me one sentence to answer this question.
I slept last night.
I slept last night. Aha! Can we say I sleep? I slept. What did you do last night? I slept. I slept. I don't know Chinese, huh? Oh. What's that? I slept. I slept. Last night. Very good. 1 point. Yay! I slept last night. I slept. Last night I slept a lot. Very good. You add more points, you get more points, yeah? Alright. Come on. Free will. Yes?
I can try again.
What did you do last night? Oh,
I ate food last night.
I ate food last night. I ate food last night. Very good. Yay. Bingo.
Teacher, I can tell you last sentence.
Okay. Give me last sentence. Okay.
Yes, teacher, I can.
那这个怎么办？
那谁？
陈纯玉的。
想选啊？
陈纯玉。
Okay. Anyone else would like to say something? Anyone else? Yes? I watched a video last night.
还是要写啊？还
A
是写三
video
句啊？
last night.
我是都写了，然后写成
I watched a video last night. Very good. 1 point for you. Okay, oh, come on, raise your hand. Yes. Extra points, huh? Anyone else? Come on, it's free will, huh? Not 3 points, yeah, but it's free will. Yes, very good. You raised your hand. You just raised your hand. Are you ready? Come on.
went.
Come on.
I watched the movie last night.
Huh?
I watched the movie
Had
last night.
HAD.
I watched a movie.
HAD.
I watched a movie. Yeah. I watched a movie.
这要换。
Okay. So good, right? Okay. Okay, so now, if you want to write more, remember to give me this handout before you go home. If you want to earn points, remember to give me these handouts before you go. Huh? Okay. All right. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to talk about the sounds. Some of the sounds here. I prepared the PPT is about these sounds. So let me see. I played here. You have the sound. The sound. So you have the ed endings of regular past tense like played. They end with t. Some verbs end with t sound. Some verbs end with d sound. And some verbs end with ed sound. Ed. So it depends on the word. Sometimes we have t sound. Sometimes it's d sound, and sometimes it's id sound. Right? So you can have a look today. When please remember, that is very easy. This one is very easy. When you have the verb end with t and d. When the verb ends with t and d, what is the sound here? What is it? Id. So that will be that will be pronounced as a new syllable. Id. Corrected. Corrected. When there is a t, you have to say corrected. And when there is a d, guided. Guided. So the end will be it. So remember, for this one, is the rule is when the words end with the t, is it. When the word ends with a d, is it. T and now try the word, the sound k. Work. The sound work. Work. Can you feel? Can you see? Can you feel vibration? Not the letter sound, the phonics. Work. So that determines that the ending for worked is pronounced t. You see an example? When the sound is voiceless, can you feel? The past tense will be t, worked. I worked all night. Yesterday, I worked all night. I worked all night. Please, everybody repeat. I worked all night. I worked all night. Very good. So this is voiceless. You can try. I worked all night. For the word clean, the end sound determines that cleaned is pronounced cleaned. 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 Okay? This is n. This is a voice. It's a voice sound. So cleaned. I cleaned. Yesterday I cleaned my bedroom. I cleaned my bedroom. Did you clean your bedroom yesterday? No. I did not clean my bedroom. Now look at this. Just have a look. What's this word? Can you read this word?
Save.
Save. Now, what is the final sound? Make the sound.
Save.
So, there is, do you feel this vibration? Do you feel a vibration? Yes? When you touch your throat, right? You feel a vibration. So, if there is a vibration, what happens? So you have to say the I saved. Saved. This is the vibration. There is a vibration here. I saved. I saved. Saved the money. Yesterday, I saved. This is voice sound. Have a D ending. Huh? Save, voice sound. Then we have a vibration. I saved. Saved. I saved. Okay, so these are the voice sound. Voice sound. Yeah? The sound. Yeah, like a view, right? Save. Yeah. So this is a voice sound. Voiced sound. Next we have the. Okay, now let's try this. If you say stab, stabbed, 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 yeah. Saved, saved, saved. I saved the money. Did you save money yesterday? No, I did not. I went to KTV. Oh. Did you save money?
No, I did not.
No, I did not. Hospitalize. Hospitalize. When you go to the hospital, you sit there for 1 week. You are hospitalized. So the past tense would be hospitalized. Yeah? Hospitalized. Advertise. Advertise. Wrong. Advertise. Advertise. Yes, you may. Okay. How about stage? Stage. 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 So now to end this one, you have an example for the voiceless sound. Voiceless sounds like miss. Can you feel the vibration? Miss.
No. No vibration.
Wash.
No.
Wash. Put 3 fingers to your throat and make the sound.
No vibration.
If there is no vibration, then the sound is. Oh, I washed my clothes yesterday. I washed my clothes yesterday. I missed my classmates yesterday. I missed. Did you miss your classmates yesterday? Yes, you raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Did you miss your classmates yesterday?
No.
Oh, no, I did not miss. No, I did not. 1, 2, 3, are you ready? I did not miss. Where's my phone? Very good. 1 point. No, I did not miss my classmates. Did you miss your classmates? Yes, I miss my classmates. Alright, voiceless. Miss. Okay, are you ready? How to say stop? Stop. 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 Right? Miss. Miss. I missed my classmate, right? See, remember? It's just sound, yeah? No vibration, pronounced as a t. Huh? How about watch? Watch. I watched. Yes, that's right. Work. I worked. Did you work yesterday? No, I did not work yesterday. Did you work last Friday?
No.
Oh, I did not work last Friday. Right. Next. Wash. Is it a voiced sound or voiceless sound?
Voiceless.
1 point. So fast. Voiceless, right? Wash. Yes, very good. Ready to do. Do you like to wash your clothes? Do you like it? Do you like to wash your clothes? Me, I like it. I wash, hand wash. I like hand wash. I like hand wash. With my hand, I wash. So relaxing and I don't think about anything. Just washing my clothes. I like to wash my clothes. So, if you like to wash your clothes, do you wash your clothes? Yes? Do you hand wash? No. Does your mama wash the clothes? Huh? Yeah. So, question. Did your mother wash clothes yesterday? Did your mother wash clothes yesterday? Yes. She did. Yeah, she did. Did she wash clothes yesterday? Yes, she did. Very good. Okay, so wash. Did you wash clothes yesterday? Yes, I washed my clothes. I washed